Welcome to Zisodel TV. Kindly subscribe, share, and like for latest updates and news.
Meant well in formation and participating in that direction. So it's a welcome development. And I believe that it's helped in the past, because if you look at those who fought for our independence and everything, they were in different political party formations and was able to show that first democratic process in Nigeria, which is what we are all clamoring that we need to go back to now, where we have very enterprising, progressive regional governments thriving.
Thank you, sir. So as a critical stakeholder, what is your advice to the Party Advisory Council IBAK to ensure democracy growth in Nigeria?
Well, as it is today, my advice is that the parties come together and work for the people. You could see today there's a gradual erosion of the tenets of democracy. Our political compass is heading in the wrong direction. So there's a need for the parties to come together to be able to rescue the situation as it is today.